Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray is a hybrid sports car that pairs a V8 engine with an electric motor and a single battery pack. It is the first Corvette to go into production with some form of battery power and also the first with all-wheel drive. Chevy claims that the new E-Ray is the quickest production Corvette ever to roll off the factory floor in Bowling Green, with a 0 to 60 time of just 2.5 seconds, which is even faster than the already quick Z06 that accomplishes the same task in 2.6 seconds. The 1.9 kWh battery pack and permanent magnetic drive electric motor produce 160 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque. Combined with the V8 engine, the total system output is 655 horsepower and 595 pounds-foot of torque. The instant torque available via the electric motor and the extra grip from the standard all-wheel drive system helps give the E-Ray its impressive 0 to 60 time. Additionally, the E-Ray has a stealth mode that allows it to drive exclusively on battery power at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. While the Z06 is not as quick as the E-Ray, it has more horsepower and torque. The Z06's flat-plane cranked 5.5-liter V8 revs to an impressive 8,600 RPM, producing 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, which includes full racing-style dry-sump oiling system. In terms of overall performance, the Z06 is considered a better option for track days due to its better available tires, more responsive suspension setup, and lighter curb weight of 3,434 versus 3,774 for the E-Ray. However, the E-Ray is not far behind and offers excellent handling with its standard magnetic ride control 4.0 and 15.7-inch front and 15.4-inch rear carbon ceramic Brembo brakes. The E-Ray is also 3.6 inches wider than the standard C8, just like the Z06, and has Michelin Pilot Sport 4S summer tires as an option for added grip. In terms of price, the E-Ray and Z06 are relatively comparable, with the E-Ray starting at $104,295 for the coupe and $112,690 for the convertible, not including destination and handling fees, which have not been announced by Chevy. The Z06 starts at $105,300 for the coupe and $112,800 for the convertible, both before the $1,395 destination fee. The E-Ray has options for extra cost colors, wheel and tire options, and varying interior trims, while the Z06 can get pricey once you start adding on things like carbon ceramic brakes, wheels, and the pricey Z07 performance package.